Hey there guys, so as you can see, I have my box all painted up, and if you cannot see my face, that was intentional, even though I am masked. As you can see, I have already painted it black. The whole box is nicely painted, even the bottom, which I'm surprised. And yeah, everything, every single corner, paint on this is actually beautiful. It's all like smooth and stuff. And yeah, enough talking, let's assemble this. Alright, the wheels are finished. I didn't film myself because that would have just taken time. Okay, so the wheels are on. Now I just gotta space out the space between the actual battery and the speaker, so it has some play. For that, I'm gonna use Call of Duty, because why making now? Hey! Look at it, it's beautiful. Well, the speaker is in, it's nice and solid. I'm gonna now add the handle and probably some extensions over the time, but not now. But it is great, just as I imagined. Although this paint job is really good, as to the point that this looks like shit. Uh-oh. Just wired it up, and it is perfect. It is absolutely great. The radio itself is gonna sit like this, and it's gonna be, well, on the side, but I think it's gonna be great because it is rainbow colored